Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Cardano video update for Monday 20 of June. And I don't know, man, the charts are really messed up, so let's clean up the charts and bring in once again the update for Cardano, and let's see what we're trying to do here. So let me dive into the 4-hour time frame and let's check if there's any resistance that are actually meeting, because it's quite important to look at the resistance levels. So you can see that in here you do have these support levels, and they probably you actually got rejected over here. So you have one touch, you have the second touch right there, you have another touch right over here, break to the downside, went up, and then you actually you might be looking to still roll over to the downside, right? So I'm not really convinced, but there's a good chance that if you actually break it, break this resistance here, then you're looking for the next technical target up here to the 53. But it's all about breaking that resistance. You are still not looking good, because by the end of the day you went down, came up, got rejected, made a bearish pattern here, and you can still roll over down to the market. That's actually very possible, so be careful in this space. We're gonna just go to tradingview.com, draw that resistance line here. If you try to break it and hold it, there's a good chance that you're gonna go up. And that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.